All right, guys, we made it to Houston. We've been on the road pretty much all day. We stopped to see my mother-in-law. We stopped to see her mom. Took her to dinner tonight, had some laughs, some drinks, and plenty of ice cream. But we are now at the Hilton West Chase. This is the second time we've stayed at this hotel over the last couple months. And they actually invited us back because things didn't go quite right the last time we were here. So they invited us back on their dime. And I'm going to go ahead and do a full comprehensive review on this room. First, I'm going to let her, the former general manager, tell you about this bathroom. Are you ready?
Okay.
Let's go. Hit the light.
Ooh. So we have his and her sink.
Uh-huh.
So my side can stay clean. No, I'm just kidding. And plenty of light. See? Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Then you also have the lights behind here, so there's plenty of light in here. Then we come in here. We have a tub. And nowadays, everybody's doing the little pumps, I noticed.
Yeah, pretty much everybody now.
It's got the soap and the shampoo and conditioner.
That comes in really handy if you happen to run out of the house without those items. It's here at the hotel. So I wasn't a fan at first, but I really do like it now.
Do you like the shampoo? You like the
Shampoo too.
Yeah, it works
I like
good
shampoo
on
too.
here?
It works on your armpits.
All right. So this is a really nice, spacious bathroom.
Uh-huh.
I like it a lot. And then we have our own little living room over here.
Can't turn
Over
on.
here.
Let's get some light. There's a light.
So we have our own little living room. And then a wet bar over here with the refrigerator. Microwave. Ice. Coffee maker. So we'll put some beverages over there later. For
Yeah.
The adult drink.
Adult beverages.
And then we have this nice little comfy bed. Look at all this room. We have a desk, and then we have this little unknown space, which we have a little guest with us, if you can see him. And so that's his little area to eat and drink at.
Put him up here so the world can see him again.
Come on. Oh, wee. He's so adorable and cuddly.
Hey, bud. Hey, bud. So, guys, this is our room for the weekend while we're in Houston. And that's our little doggy nephew's Captain. So I think you guys were introduced to him when we went to Mena, Arkansas in one of our other videos. So he's back hanging out with his uncle and auntie for the week. And we're going to have some fun. Tomorrow we plan to get up, go explore Houston because we have an announcement coming soon. We have an announcement coming soon. It's a big announcement coming soon to our channel. We have news, but we're not going to tell you tonight. We're just going to take you around Houston and show you a couple cool things. Mm-hmm. But for tonight, we've been up all day. We're going to get us some rest.
Yes.
And we'll see you guys in the morning. A stop at Trill Burgers for lunch was just the break we needed. Hip-hop music was playing as soon as we walked in. The burgers were flying out of the kitchen left and right. Everybody seemed to be happy. It was a very, very tasty experience. We'll definitely be back to visit Trill Burgers for some more of those delicious burgers. So guys, we just left Trill Burger, and I wanted to let you know what I thought about the place. The food was spectacular. The burgers literally taste to me like the best burger in all of America. The fries were good, but they were kind of like standard fare. But the burger was absolutely amazing. The caramelized onions on it, the cheese was melted perfectly. The meat had a little crust on the meat, which made it perfect texture. I mean, if you come anywhere near Houston, you gotta go in there. It's exactly what I imagined it to be like. Hip hop music that I've heard all my life. I'm just as old as hip hop. It was great to hear some of the old songs that were playing in there, seeing Bun B's face all over the wall. They pumped those burgers out fast, efficiently. There was plenty of seating because just as fast as people were coming in, people were leaving. This place is amazing. You have to come down here. If you're anywhere near Houston, go in there and check out. I couldn't record inside because it was pretty noisy from the music, all the people talking. There was a lot of excitement in the air. There's a manager at the door. It's kind of like almost like a floor general. He was seating people, getting people in and out. Traffic was flowing. It was perfect. So shout out to Bun B and the Trill Burger team. Now we're getting our car inspected before we head over to the next destination, and we will fill you guys in this video the changes that are coming for us. We'll see in a little bit. So guys, we are in Katy, Texas. We decided to stop here, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what's going on. So the big secret is we're looking for a place to live down here because we're leaving DFW and moving to the Houston area, somewhere in the Houston Metroplex, because life changes have come to us, and on the job I've been promoted. I'll now be supporting 9 or 10 buildings out here. So anyway, this will be our new home. Maybe not Katy per se, but we're definitely looking around. This is a wonderful little town. We're literally in the town square. We're gonna just show you some of it before we take off. So we don't know quite yet where we're gonna live, but that's the secret we've been holding out on, guys. We're moving to Houston.
So that means great new adventures in a new place, because there's a whole lot to explore here. A whole lot.
It looks like a lot. So we're gonna be in for some fun, close to the ocean. This seems like a prime location. Plenty of lakes, plenty of trails, plenty of towns, tons of restaurants. We finally made it to Trill Burger. We just left Trill Burger. You guys saw that. Go check it out. But let's take a look at Katy. So just so happens in the town square down here in Katy, the kids are having a little Easter egg hunt right over there. So I guess in a few minutes, this place will be packed with little kids running over grabbing eggs. It's pretty cool to see. But we're going.
They're going now.
They're going now. I can't. But anyway, we're going to explore just a few more minutes, and then we're going to head off to the next destination. So guys, check out this cool little red caboose, which has been in service for a very, very long time. It was owned by at least 2 other people before it was purchased by the Katy Historical Society, and now they keep track of it and keep it maintained. Here's a little the Katy train depot right here. This is called Railroad Park, this whole area. So let's show you what it looks like.
Or something, or well, it is technically vandalism in a sense insofar as it's like destruction of private property.
But now it's historical.
Now it's historical, and I think he gives it character.
Yeah.
I think he gives it character. Now the people who drew these things were primarily homeless people, actually, who slept in here to get out of the elements. Now I'll preface everything I'm about to say by telling you that the people who drew these things, these homeless people, they didn't leave us a guidebook or an explanation as to what these things are or what they meant. So we basically have to use just historical knowledge, context clues, and a little bit of our imagination to kind of interpret them. But I'll point out a few of them. To you. Starting over here, over to the far left, on the freight door here, there's a pig. You can see the snout, the head. He's looking to the left. He's looking east.
Oh yeah.
And he's sitting on the railroad track. You see the railroad track?
I see it down there.
And he's wearing a uniform of some sort. So, okay, why is there a pig in a uniform on the railroad track? Well, our working theory is that because the people who were sleeping in here and drawing these things were not supposed to be in here doing those things, they would have probably been getting into confrontations with the railroad police. Well, today, 100 years ago, when people want to insult the police, they call them
pigs.
Hence,
nice.
On the wall. And so we had a visitor who suggested that because the pig is on the track, he's going to be hit by the train. So basically, it's people getting it taken out.
Is he not in there?
Guys, we've had a long day. We actually went back to our room, took a nap, and now we're out for dinner at Olive Garden with family. So my mother-in-law, her mother, and her brother, my brother-in-law, will be here soon, and we're gonna have dinner with them. So we're gonna cut this video for tonight. Tomorrow we're gonna give you a full tour of our hotel room before I head back to Louisville and leave her with mommy for a little while. So anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow. So good morning, guys. We slept in the hotel. It is time to get up and hit the road. I think she'll be staying here possibly, depending on what we find out in the next few minutes. She might be staying here in Houston with her mom for a week. We did not get to give you a tour of the hotel because we just ran out, so we apologize for that. But it's a beautiful property, believe me. I'll share some of the pictures from online right now. Did not tell you it was a beautiful property, so if you get a chance, go stay at the Hilton Houston West Chase. They have a great customer recovery program. They took great care of us this go around, so I appreciate you guys at Hilton Houston West Chase. So now we got something special for you. We just happened to be driving down the road and found Shaq's Big Chicken, and we were actually going somewhere else, but we're gonna go in here and see what Shaq's Big Chicken is like before we head out of Houston. Let's go.
Our visit to Shaq's Big Chicken was nothing short of a savor adventure. As we stepped inside, we were greeted by an ambiance that perfectly blended contemporary style with nostalgic nods to classic American dining. The decor boasted bold colors, playful chicken-themed accents, and larger-than-life portraits of the legendary basketball icon himself, Shaquille O'Neal, adding a sense of fun and personality to the atmosphere. Service was as exceptional as one would expect from a venture associated with Shaq. The staff greeted us with warm smiles and genuine enthusiasm, making us feel right at home from the moment we walked in. Throughout our dining experience, they remained attentive and accommodating, ensuring that every aspect of our visit exceeded expectations. From the moment we took our first bite of the perfectly seasoned and crispy fried chicken, we knew we were in for a treat. Each dish was crafted with care, showing a delicious fusion of flavors that left us craving more. Whether it was Shaq's signature chicken sandwiches, mouthwatering sides, or indulgent desserts, every item on the menu was a testament to the dedication to quality and flavor. Overall, our time at Shaq's Big Chicken was a delightful culinary journey filled with laughter, good company, and unforgettable flavors. It's a place where the love for great food and the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones truly shines through, leaving us with memories we'll cherish long after the last bite.